Gardening brings joy, a sense of accomplishment, and a connection to the earth. It can also bring challenges and uncertainty, which can be conquered with the right information. That's where our Gardening Solutions website page comes in. Here, you'll find suggestions for specific garden conditions. These include dry shade, such as under trees or overhangs, wet sites that never seem to dry out, slopes or banks where soil can erode and water runs off quickly, hot, dry sites that don't have access to supplemental watering, shady sites that get little to no sun, humid areas that melt away less forgiving perennials, seaside or marshy areas where high salt content can damage some plants. Sometimes challenges come not from garden conditions, but from hungry critters. The Gardening Solutions page links to hundreds of rabbit-resistant plants and others that are deer-resistant. Perhaps you're looking for ways to attract butterflies, hummingbirds, or other pollinators. The Gardening Solutions page has a wealth of the very best options to nourish these beneficial visitors. And finally, you may be searching for plants for a specific landscape need. We can help with that too. You'll find selections such as ground covers that can suppress weeds while adding texture and color to the garden, evergreens that stay green year-round, fragrant plants that delight your senses as you pass, foot traffic-tolerant plants that can be used between stepping stones or as a lawn substitute, plants good for winter interest due to attractive seed heads, plentiful berries, or interesting stems. Plants good for cut flowers thanks to strong stems and profuse blooms. To reach the Gardening Solutions page, hit the Shop by Solution link in the bottom right corner of any page on our website. Once there, you'll find links to 22 different categories of plants. Click on any one of them, and you'll see suggestions for dozens of plants that fit the bill. You can narrow the list further by using the filters in the left column for growing zone, availability, color, height, bloom time, and more. No matter what you're looking for or what challenges your garden site presents, our Gardening Solutions page can help you find the very best options. Click on the link below and have a look for yourself. And for more ways to make gardening easy, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.